We just came back from Best Buy. We are going to do an unboxing video of the Rylo 360 action camera. I've been in the market for a 360 action camera for a little while now. Been researching this and the GoPro Fusion. The reason I chose now is the time to buy is because a lot of them are on sale. I think the Rylo's $150 off at Best Buy and on their website. The GoPro Fusion is $300 off on the GoPro site. It's not so many places locally, at least around me it's not. So, but it's $300 off. The reason I chose this one though is because easier video editing. From what I hear, GoPro, while the hardware is much better, you get a much more robust system with the GoPro Fusion. I love GoPro cameras. Its editing is just not there, and the desktop app is kind of lacking, and there is no mobile apps that's compatible. Well, there's no mobile apps that ship for GoPro. There's some that are compatible with GoPro, but they may not work the best. I also, while I was at Best Buy, received or picked up the adventure case to go with this. I'll do a separate unboxing video on that later. There's mixed reviews on that from my research, but I think there are ways to alleviate the issues that come with that case. And I also picked up an extra battery. Everybody knows that with action cameras, batteries don't last long, so I figure you need 2 batteries to go with it. So let's get to it. Alright, so now I've got the plastic cut off. Let's put the knife aside and the plastic aside. We've got the camera. So let's open this up and see what's inside of it. The main reason I wanted to unbox this video is do an unboxing on this because this is the Best Buy version. A lot of these cameras I've seen, a lot of the unboxing videos I've seen are from this camera, but are from the camera maker Rylo directly. So when you receive it in the mail, it looks like they come with this box itself, and then a separate box for the hand grip and the little skeleton housing. And I wanted to see what's all inside the box that you get if you go to a retail store like Best Buy or Walmart or Target, if you can find it at those places, and see if all this stuff is included. The Best Buy website didn't mention it was included, but there was a picture that showed that it was included, so it kind of, it didn't mention it in the description, but I figured it was there. And also, the back of this box does show that it is there. But let's open it up and see what's inside. The packaging is very nice, by the way. It's actually, I like it better than GoPro packaging. I'm a very big GoPro fan. Let's slide the camera out here. Alright, so as you can see, there's the camera itself. It's actually a very nice camera. It's built very well. There's it's metal on the top, plastic on the sides. You got a little screen there. We'll do a full review on this later. I'm going to take it to Cedar Point this weekend and do some testing on it. But glass lenses, there's a microphone there. I guess those are probably microphones on the top. Simple button. There's the USB, micro USB charger on the side. I guess battery goes there. We'll do a full review on that later. Let's go deeper into the box. Stickers. That's always a nice touch, especially if you collect stickers and put them on boxes and that type of stuff. Instruction manuals. The magic is in the app. That is very nice because that's the whole reason I chose this one. Like I said earlier in the video, I wanted something that's easy editing versus having to use a cumbersome YouTube GoPro Fusion software that's currently out right now. In here there is that's a nice case. Case is nice because these cameras, their lenses protrude, so there's not much protection on the lenses themselves. So it's nice to have a protective case. That way you do not damage your lens. We'll go ahead and put the camera in there now so that we don't have to worry about it. The case, by the way, looks like it's got 2 sides. You can put your camera on one side. This side here, you can put your extra SD cards, maybe your charging cable, and anything else you need to carry with you. So that's a nice little touch. Alright, so right here is the case itself, the skeleton case, as GoPro would call it. I think they just call it the standard case for Rylo, I'm not sure. But right here is the battery. It's a fairly small battery, so I'm glad I did purchase an extra one. Similar type battery to a GoPro, as you can see. Pull tabs here, that's a very nice touch. Makes it easy to pull the battery out. Let's set all that aside. The mount on the case is the same type of mount that GoPros use, which is a nice touch. That way it'll work with your, your mounting ecosystem that you already have. So that is a very nice touch. Micro USB cable. That's what that says anyway. Yep, micro USB cable. Oh, this is a nice touch here. Very nice touch. Micro USB, USB-C, and a lightning cable. Very nice touch there because, as you know, this is good for you. Unless you have an iPhone, you're going to be using multiple devices. This camera is going to be sold to people with multiple types of devices. So it's good that you have all the cables needed in the box. Come on out here. thumb screw like you would use with a GoPro, and there's the grip. It's kind of grippy, not as nice as I thought it would look like. You know, that looked when I saw it online, but it's, you know, it's still fairly nice. So, you know, it's good to get you going. I've got plenty of GoPro handles, so I really didn't need it because of this. That's why I didn't care about buying it from YouTube, not from Best Buy itself. I was just curious if it did include this. So, you know, it's a nice touch. And then this here looks like a lanyard of some sort. Yeah, we have a lanyard right here so that you can, I guess, attach it to this pole. So, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. This is the Rylo action camera from Rylo. It's 360 camera, and I will do a review soon. Thanks. Bye.